Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be intimidating, especially if you don't want to share your face on camera. However, having a faceless channel doesn't mean that you can't create a great content and grow your audience. In fact, there are many successful channels that have built their brand without ever showing their face. Take a look at these two channels. This one gained 26,000 subscribers with only 12 videos. This one have 44,000 subscribers with only 3 videos. You can too. Let's dive into some tips for growing a faceless channel. At first, you need to define your niche. What type of content do you want to create? Who is your target audience? By defining your niche, you can create content that resonates with your audience and sets you apart from other channels. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, focus on creating content that you are passionate about and that aligns with your values. Create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is key to growing a faceless channel. Your content should be engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Use high-quality equipment to ensure that your videos are clear and easy to watch. Invest in good lighting, audio equipment, and editing software to make your videos stand out. Use effective titles and descriptions. Your video titles and descriptions are essential for attracting viewers and improving your search engine rankings. Use descriptive titles and descriptions that accurately reflect the content of your videos. Use keywords that your target audience is likely to search for to increase your visibility in search results. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a loyal following. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. Encourage your viewers to share their thoughts and ideas with you and use their feedback to improve your content. Collaborate with other channels. Collaborating with other channels is a great way to reach new audiences and build your brand. Look for channels that are complementary to yours and reach out to them to see if they are interested in collaborating on a video. This can be a great way to introduce your channel to new audience and get exposure to new viewers. Promote your channel on a social media. Promoting your channel on a social media is essential for growing your audience. Share your videos on your social media channels and encourage your followers to subscribe to your channel. Use hashtags to make your content more discoverable and engage with your followers to build a sense of community around your brand. Be consistent. Consistency is a key to building a successful channel. Post videos on a regular schedule and stick to it. Your viewers will come to expect new content from you, so it's essential to deliver on your promises. Be consistent with your branding, messaging, and tone of voice to build a strong brand identity. Growing a faceless channel is entirely possible if you follow these tips. Focus on creating a high-quality content, engaging with your audience, collaborating with other channels, and promoting your channel on social media. Remember to be consistent and most importantly, have fun. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful faceless channel that resonates with your audience and makes an impact in the YouTube community.